Good morning, everybody. You are on the lot with Stephen Hill here at Land Rover Southwest Houston. Behind me, I have a 2024 Gondwana Stone Defender 130. Today, I wanted to address a lot of the complaints we're getting when you fold the third row down. There's about a 2-inch gap or lip, which makes it hard to load cargo in and out, but there's a fix for that. So let's check it out together. Come on. All right, let me open this up for you really quick. So what you'll see when you open it up, if you have the seats up, you have 3 seats. There's a new tray that comes with every 2024 standard equipment. To fold these down, you just pull the little lever, push this down, push the middle one down, push the wrapping down. But this kind of gets in the way, and if it's not here, you've got a lip right here. So there's a fix for this. So what you'll do is you'll take the tray out, this cover right here, just take it out, put it right here, and you can see all the jack and the wheel locks right here. The tire hanger right here, the spare tire. And what you want to do is take the hard cover that's now a new accessory that's standard. There's these little Velcro loops that you can unhook, loop it around the D-ring. Tight. Over here, there's a D-ring, so you unhook the Velcro, loop it around, and then you'll take the cover, clip it in there. Let's go and put holes. You're good. So now it's flat. I'll try to move the camera in a little bit better. Hold on. So now you can see that it's flat, just like that. And I'll go ahead and remove it as well. So let's check it out. So you'll take the little cover out. You can Velcro these. I cover back on. Tray in just like that. Secure it. There we go. All right, I want to do this one more time because the lighting was pretty bad, but I'll do it a second time. So let me just Velcro this back down. So you'll take the this hard cover, just kind of slide it up. You'll pull the little loop to take the cover off, just like that. And then what you'll do is you'll take the little storage tray right here, put it back in the spot, loop around the D-rings there. There, and then you put the little cover in here. Oh, I missed that. You have to get it underneath these little lips here and there. And put it back in. So there you go. I'm going to leave it like this because I think it's more helpful than having that little tray exposed. And if you want to store cargo, you can just pull it up, put your cargo in here, and then put it back down, just like that.